Hi and welcome to House of Hybrids. Today the tutorial video is something that people are asking me is how to remove the safety plug from a Lexus LS600HL. It's the hybrids, and this one is a 2008, and I'm going to show you guys how. In order to do any kind of work on the car, it's always recommend to you to remove the safety plug. And like most of the hybrids, the battery is located behind the back seat. In that case, when you open the trunk, you're gonna see a little trim here, that the little cover that covers the safety plug. By law, they have to be orange. So the newer version of the hybrid is always gonna be orange. That means high voltage. So you're gonna pull this lever to the left, and then pull out 9 degrees, and then you just pull the plug out, and you just reverse the process in order to install it again. Push all the way in, then turn back and lock in place. Make sure you always lock to the right, and then you're good to go. And the cover is not a big deal, just it is, and lock in place. Good to go. So I hope that was helpful, and any video you guys would like to see, please leave a comment on the bottom of this video, and I'll be glad to post it pretty soon. Thank you, and I see you next video.